Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a DIY. Yesterday I made something super cute for my house and I just love the way it turned out. And it's a macrame flower vase holder. Is that a word? I'm really excited to show you how you can make your plant holder macrame thing, so let's get started. Okay guys, let me quickly start by showing you what you're gonna need for this project. We need some flowers, glass vase, cord, and pair of scissors. So the first thing that we have to do is cut the cord. We're going to need 4 60 inches pieces. What I do is I measure by eye. I know that that's not the best way. Of course, if you want to be more precise, you can measure yours with a measuring tape. I do that. I know that's not the best way, but please forgive me. Now, after you cut your cords, what you want to do is put them all together just like that and fold them in half like that. And what you want to do at the top is make a knot. And what you can do, you can use a doorknob if it's easier for you. I'm gonna take this sticky hanger, I don't know what's the name of this thing, and I'm just gonna attach my cord to it and stick it right up here, and it like that is gonna be much easier for me to work. And after you do that, what you want to do is spread your cords like that, and you want to make a knot here, 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 and here. Please pay attention and make sure that your knots are on the exact same length from the top. Now, after you have your first 4 knots ready, what you want to do now is spread your cord like that. Make knot here, here, and here. Now after you're done with the second set of knots, it should look something like that. Grab the outside cords and make another knot. Okay, after we're done with the knotting, what we have to do is measure if our vase fits inside our creation. And if it's too loose or too tight, don't worry. All you have to do is adjust the knots a little bit. Don't freak out. Mine fits perfectly, so what I have to do is make a little knot here. Like that. Deattach the cord and put it on the side for a little bit. Now what we have to do is add water into our vase. I'll be back 1 second. Now we have our water, so let's arrange the flowers inside. Do you like it like that? I think it's gorgeous. What you can do also, if you have small pieces of crystals, you can drop it inside the water. I actually had to do that step first, but anyways, oh, that's too big. This, yay! Now what you have to do, the last step, is to place our vase into our holder. It's good if you have someone to help you with that, someone to hold the holder while you're placing the flowers inside. But since I'm one-man show here, I'll have to do it myself. Let's see if I'm gonna ruin everything at the end or I'm gonna succeed. I made it, guys, I made it. What you can do if you want to play a little bit more is make a little macrame designs here at the bottom. You can add beads if you want, you can make a braid if you want, whatever works for you. You can get creative with that part. Let me show you now our little plant holder in motion. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions on how to make those or recommendations, don't forget to leave a comment below. For me, it was a pleasure, and see you in the next one. Bye!